Hi everyone, other important music basics include the treble and bass clef. When you see the symbol here, it's called a treble clef and notes are written for the right hand, and the bass clef over here means the notes are written for the left hand. Piano music is written on two staffs joined together called the grand stave. It shows both the treble and bass staff joined together by a line and a bracket. Fingering. Sometimes you will see numbers above the notes to guide you. These numbers refer to our fingers. Thumbs are number 1 and our little fingers are number 5. The layout of the piano, we can easily navigate our way around the piano by finding the groups of 2 and 3 black keys. Notes to the far left of the piano are low sounds and notes to the far right are high sounds. Posture and hand position at the piano. You're going to sit with a straight back, relax your shoulders, feet flat on the floor, arms parallel to the floor, no slouching at the piano please. So when we put our hands up on the keys, you're going to place your fingers on the keys, one finger adjacent to each other. Lift your wrist high enough so your fingers naturally curl over the keys. And then play with your fingertips, not the flat part of your fingers. So we're playing on the very tip of our fingers and not this part of our finger. Okay. Well done, and you've got another quiz to do there, reviewing the basics, and I'll see you in the next lesson.